What's going on, everybody? Breaking news right now. We have some big news for you on this video, particularly related to those ETFs from Fidelity, Blackrock. What is going on and why has the market all of a sudden started to turn bullish? Are we truly going to see $1.21 trillion this weekend? Well, I'll break it all down for you in this video, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get into it. So we'll take a quick look at the markets. 1.81% up on the day. Bitcoin currently trying to test 30,500 and it's up 0.24% in the last hour. Look at the trading volume though, $26.3 billion, and we're currently sitting at a $1.19 trillion market cap. This could well tip into the 1.2s very, very soon. BTC dominance at 49.5 does show people are buying into altcoins, which is good news. Now, I want to take your mind back to earlier on today. We saw this Bitcoin tumbles on the report of SEC saying spot BTC ETF filings are inadequate. Now, the market got totally spooked. A lot of people were spinning a completely inaccurate narrative in that the SEC have cancelled ETFs once again. It just simply wasn't true. What they said at the time was that actually what they'd filed was inadequate and there were some things that they wanted rectifying. It does say the US Securities and Exchange Commission said recent filings to launch a spot Bitcoin ETF are inadequate. Reported by Wall Street Journal Friday morning, citing sources close to the matter. The news sent the price of Bitcoin plunging by $1,000, more than 3.47% in the space of a few minutes. At press at the time, Bitcoin was trading just above $30,000. So this was the news that we got this morning. Everybody panicked. When we take a look at the BTC chart, here is exactly where that news broke about the SEC, and we came all the way down 29,920. Now, as people started to understand it, as people really truly got under the skin of what is going on, the market has recovered. Now, we're currently testing this 30,500 level. I would like to see this break, and there's not a lot of liquidity above this. Between these kind of 30,000, 30,700, we could see this rocket all the way up as this news starts to come out that we're about to break for you live on the channel. Now, what am I talking about? Well, it is this news here. The Fidelity leads flurry of Bitcoin ETF refilings to answer the SEC. So one of the key parts of the SEC said was that there was no surveillance exchange to support it. Well, Coinbase is going to be that surveillance exchange. Coinbase to provide market surveillance for the proposed funds. 8 issuers, including Blackrock, seek spot Bitcoin ETF. So this is pretty big news. We already know that, well, Coinbase is being sued. Then you put your tinfoil hat on and say, actually, is there something a little bit more to this? Is this a way of controlling the market? Is this a way of ensuring that actually there is always some eyes on the price, so to say? Remember, these ETFs are institutional investment ETFs. They are not for the likes of you or I. But this is a flurry of Friday afternoon activity. Fidelity Investments, Invesco, Vanek, and Wisdom Tree filed a fresh set of applications for a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund following earlier comments from the US Securities and Exchange Commission that indicated previous applicants was insufficient. The 4 issuers are among 8 companies, including Blackrock, that are seeking to launch on what would be an initial crop of US spot Bitcoin ETFs. All of the 4 indicated that their filings at Coinbase Global Incorporated will provide market surveillance in support of their funds, a fact that wasn't included in previous iterations. And fundamentally, that is what the SEC has asked for. Now, if this all goes ahead and ultimately they have delivered on what they should have done, we could be in for a very interesting next 24 hours. We're going to need the coffee, just like Crypto Coffee Degen. Just like Degen Crypto Coffee. Degen Crypto Coffee is the latest coffee brand for all of your crypto investing needs. They're all sourced from fantastic growers to bring you the perfect blend for all of your cryptocurrency investing trades. Now, Crypto Coffee also offer you a fantastic discount if you use the code 2BitCrypto15. Now, you head over to their website and check out all of the fantastic blends and merchandise that they have to offer, all for Degen Crypto Coffee. Now, if you do want to bag yourself, you can pay with fiat as well as your favorite cryptocurrency. And Degen Crypto Coffee, well, they're bringing coffee to crypto. making sure you're fueled for the market. But yeah, it says crypto market surveillance may be key to gaining Securities and Exchange Commission approval for a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund. The surveillance can dramatically reduce fraud and market manipulation, which were top reasons for why the agency rejected around 30 spot Bitcoin ETF applications to date. So these are very different to what we have known previously when it comes to those. Now, what we are seeing, and we'll go on the 15-minute here, we are seeing a good movement up across the markets. You can see Bitcoin broke 30,500. So we could see this rocket up, though again, there wasn't a lot of liquidity all the way up to 30,700. So we could be in for a pretty interesting ride. You can see here, look, the 7-day EMA flipping on that 50-day EMA. So look, all in all, looks pretty bullish right now, 0.2%, as well as ETH at 3.5%, Matic at 6.5%, and Solana. So if you've been watching my live streams right now, well, you're printing some paper with a couple of these coins that we talked about on the live stream. Likewise with Litecoin, remember 37 days until we see that halving. But Bitcoin ETFs, Ethereum ETFs, we could see a massive pump through the weekend for all of this news as it breaks. But if you want to stay up to date with the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrency, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button so you never miss a beat once again in cryptocurrency. As ever, thank you so much for watching the video. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this. And I'll see you all, well, I'll see you all at 31,000 in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.